TSAT is a great program from the government of Telangana. Dr. Revant Reddy and Venugopal Reddy Anna. There are too many initiatives come up with to teach and too many programs, and there are too many MOUs also going on nowadays. Okay, like giving coaching to the group 1 and group 2 and everything with respect to this one. And also there are some of the programs which is enhance the skills, skill enhancement programs also there, where the rural people can acquire the skills to get in the employment and all those things. So this is a great network, and there are a good number of subscribers. Every day there are number of programs. Every day there is a discussion is going on for this training, and there is every day there are many programs, and there are many MOUs also there. And with Venugopal Reddy Anna is every day he's come up with a new technology. Every day I used to see, whenever I used to see this TSAT, there is another type of program, and every day it is a great initiative. I wish you all the best for the TSAT, and thank you very much for the government of Telangana and TSAT CEO TSAT for this great initiative. Thank you one and all.